What's good, everybody? My name is Evan Brown, and today I learned that it's important to listen to your senior partner because when you listen, you can react better to the dialogue that's going on.
I'm a technician, and my name is Nia Hudson. I learned how to spike sets, like how to put tape on it and write down the position and where it's supposed to be for the scene.
Today I learned how to make a bucket drum with tape and a bucket from Home Depot.
Hey, I'm Kennedy. Today I learned focus, a lot of focus, and accountability for knowing your stuff. I need to know my stuff.
Hi, my name is Rob. Today in rehearsal today, we learned a new choreography for the Caesar song. It's basically just like 6-8 counts of like movement and like saluting and like turning and stuff like that. It's pretty cool.
I learned that pandas have like a sixth finger.
So what I learned was some of the choreo to the politics song.
I learned that there aren't really any leaders in Mosaic, even if you feel like they are, because when the leaders are gone, you still have to do what you have to do.